Installation of DPF Delete Kit in Hamm H13i with TCD 4.1 liter. Locate the differential pressure sensor and temperature sensors. In H13, Hamm temperature sensors will be located directly behind the differential pressure sensor. Disconnect the differential pressure sensor and connect the plug from the harness. Disconnect the temperature sensors and connect the plugs from the harness. Locate the diagnostic plug and connect the emulator to CAN bus. In this particular machine model, the diagnostic plug is located behind the steps. After you remove the steps, take the PCB panel off to get to the diagnostic port. Strip the isolation and solder in line with CAN high and CAN low. You can see the location of the pins in the photo. Post-installation, assemble the diagnostic plug and the steps back in their place. Beneath the emulator casing, you'll find LED lights that indicate the device is functioning correctly.